Hi, I'm Conklin from Makeup Designery. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an airbrush beauty makeup application using Mud's HDR system. Before we begin the airbrush application, don't forget to prep the skin with Mud's face primer. When using Mud's face primer, apply with either a professional sponge or the 940 foundation brush. Start from the forehead and work your way down to the neck. There are a few traditional makeup techniques I like to use before I start the airbrush application. One of them is base matching. I like to stripe two colors on the side of the face to see which one best blends into the skin. When I find the color that blends in, I know I have a true match. Another traditional makeup technique that I like to use is mixing a small amount of the HDR foundation with a corrector. They're both silicone based, so they'll create that beautiful seamless look. The HDR system includes the 22 HD colors, the airbrush gun, the cleaning fluid, the cleaning kit, the cleaning pot, and the compressor, and they are also sold individually. The SparMax Max 3 airbrush gun is a great tool. It allows you to control the amount of air and the amount of product used. In small circular motions, apply the makeup on the entire face, starting from the forehead and then work your way down. On the face, I choose to only use between 8 and 12 psi. That's pretty average. But on the body, you could crank it up to like 15. Sweet Cheeks is a gorgeous cheek color for fair to medium skin tone. To create an internal mix and to soften the look, I like to back bubble the Sweet Cheeks in with the foundation and then apply. If you spray too much product on the face, you could always lift with a sponge or buff out with a brush. To complete the look, I defined her eyes by cleaning out the excess makeup in her eyebrows and adding the taupe pencil. Plus, I really wanted to show up her beautiful eyes, so I used a volumizing mascara. And to warm up the entire look, I used the Magnolia Lip Glaze with the 310 lip brush. Mud's HDR system can be used for both face and body. It can cover any uneven skin tones, tattoos, blemishes, and veins. What do you think of your look?
I love it.
Awesome. All right, let's go.